Hello and welcome to St. Joseph College. In this present video, I will explain managerial accounting. This subject belongs to 6th semester of BCom and I am going to take second unit, that is marginal costing, second chapter of this subject. In coming videos, I will explain most important problems of this chapter, but at present I am focusing on the basic concepts under this system. So actually, costing techniques under cost accounting system may be of different types, but broadly speaking, there are two main concepts: absorption costing and marginal costing. Absorption costing, this is traditional one, that is old one. It was a practice of charging all cost. There is no difference between variable cost and fixed cost according to this system. Inventory is also valued on the basis of total cost basis. Marginal costing. It is a new recent origin. It is a new concept. It is based on marginal cost, that is variable cost. What is difference between variable cost and fixed cost? I'll explain you later. So this costing distinguishes between variable cost and fixed cost, and it believes in the key role of variable cost in decision making process. Even inventory is also valued on marginal cost. So variable cost and fixed cost. Variable, the term itself indicates which tends to vary means change. So as per the volume of units of production vary, the cost tend to vary. Such type of cost known as variable cost. For example, raw material, labor, etc. If raw material for producing one unit of an article requires 1 kg of any raw material. So if you want to produce 5 units, then you have to take 5 kg of raw material. And if you are paying to labor for producing one article rupees 10, for 5 units 50 rupees. If there is no production, no need of purchasing raw material or paying labor. Such type of expenses are known as variable expenses, variable cost, whereas fixed remains constant in respective of production. There is no link of production. That's why these expenses are known as indirect expenses. Overheads also, whereas variable costs are known as direct expenses, because these are directly related to production activities. So best example for fixed cost is rent. Even if there is no production in your factory, you have to pay rent. Now let's see the equations under both of the costing systems. Absorption costing. Profit is arrived after subtracting total cost from sales. Sales minus total cost. There is no difference between variable or any other cost. Marginal costing. It is a more detailed system. Profit. How it is arrived? Sales minus variable cost plus fixed cost. We may also present it following income statement. Sales minus variable cost. First we have to deduct variable cost. The coming output is known as contribution. Next, fixed cost. After subtracting fixed cost, we will get profit. So contribution is the main crucial stage under marginal costing system. You should always remember this income statement. Based upon these, the formulas can be framed. That's all for the present video, hoping that all the basic concepts of this chapter are cleared now. Thank you.